How can we align and distribute objects in our boards on Freeform Mac? First, we need to select more than one object to do that, so let's select all 3 objects. And now, as you can see, we got this little icon showing here just below the group, Align Distribute. We can use this shortcut, and they give us some options. We can align like that to a horizontal line. We can do it in the vertical manual. In this case, all of them will be at the top of each other. All right, so that's very handy, especially if you got more like horizontal alignment problem, like space like that. You can select them all to the center perfectly. But now the second thing, let's say we want to align them. We already know how to do that. Select all of the objects, shortcut, align. Nice. How about the space between them? We can adjust that as well using distribute. So I can now distribute them evenly, and I got a same space between multiple objects. It can be a real lifesaver. We got many icons to align in the nice grid. This is super helpful. And if you like this and you don't want to like mess it up, you can group it all together, and now this will function as one group, all move together. If you double tap, you can still move separately the elements inside the group, but then it's become a group again. Alright, so that's how you align and distribute elements in Freeform for your Mac.